IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you often go to the cinema? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I go to the cinema sometimes, maybe once every few months. I like watching movies there because the screen is big and the sound is good, but it's quite expensive.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas with limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, some repetition. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Pronunciation, generally clear but not flexible. Typical of a Band 5, safe, basic, no risks taken. Band 7.5 Answer.
I don't go to the cinema very often, mainly because I'm busy, but I try to go when there's a movie I'm really interested in. I enjoy the atmosphere, especially watching films on a large screen with proper sound.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth delivery with logical linking. Lexical resource, good range, atmosphere, proper sound. Grammar, mix of simple and complex sentences. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band. 7.5. Confident, flexible, well-developed. Band 9 Answer.
Not particularly often, to be honest. While I enjoy the cinematic experience, I usually prefer streaming films at home because it's more convenient. That said, for major releases or visually impressive movies, I still think the cinema is unbeatable.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and well-structured. Lexical resource, precise, natural vocabulary, cinematic experience, visually impressive. Grammar, wide range with full control. Pronunciation, natural rhythm and intonation. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a relaxed native speaker. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.